In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfavorite templates on CapCut PC. If your bookmark library is starting to feel cluttered with old design styles, text effects, or templates you no longer use, this is a quick and simple way to clean things up. Removing favorites in CapCut only takes a few clicks, and once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to manage your saved items and keep your workspace organized. To begin, open your saved asset area. Move your mouse to the top left section of the CapCut interface and click on the Templates tab. If the item you saved is actually under text-based assets instead, click the Text tab instead of Templates. The goal here is just to open the section where that bookmark design is stored. Once you're in the correct area, look over to the left sidebar. At the top of that panel, you should see a category called Favorites, usually marked with a small star icon. Click on Favorites to open your full collection of saved items. This will show you everything you've previously bookmarked, which makes it much easier to find the exact template or design you want to remove. Now go through the grid of saved items and find the one you no longer want in your favorites. When you see it, hover your mouse over that thumbnail. In one corner of the thumbnail, you'll notice a yellow star icon. That yellow star is what shows the item is currently favorited. Click directly on that yellow star once. As soon as you click it, the star will lose its yellow highlight. That change is your confirmation that the item has been unfavorited, and CapCut has removed it from your saved shortcuts. It's a very visual confirmation, so it's easy to tell that the action worked. To make sure everything updated properly, move your cursor back to the left sidebar and click on any other standard category for a moment. Then click back into Favorites again. This refreshes the panel and lets CapCut update the display. Once it reloads, the template or design you removed should be gone from the Favorites grid, and that's it. With just a few quick clicks in the top left panel, a hover over the template thumbnail and one tap on the yellow star icon, you can remove unwanted favorites and keep your CapCut library clean, neat, and ready for your next editing session.